So, the next important issue that we need to see is with respect to hotspot volcanoes. What exactly are these volcanoes? I told you that whenever there is divergent plate, after a particular point of time we get mid-oceanic ridges, correct? I also told you that whenever the continent and ocean or ocean and ocean converges, we usually get mountains and trenches parallel to each other. And even when I talk about the fold mountains, I am talking whenever the two mountains come closer and they rise. What all I said is usually at the end of the plates, that is at the corners of the plate, these usually takes place. But there are some mountains which is actually present at the center of the continent or center of the plate. Why exactly this is formed? Hawaiian Islands. In Greenland there are certain islands which are present at the center. Why exactly are these volcanic forms? At that point of time, scientists have found that, first let me take a complete crust. Okay. Now what happens? Can you see here? There is only magma present at this point. No magma here, no magma here. Correct? Can you see only this is being present? Earlier, that is some 2 million years ago, there was the same thing was present here. That is 2 million years ago, this was formed. Why this is present here? The meaning of this is actually there is radioactive minerals present locally, and here it raised to form the first volcano. Later what happened? The plate started moving this side. That is, the plate went this side. Plate movements keeps on happening. The plate went this side. Whenever the plate went this side, the same thing came up here. So again, what we observe? Here the magma started rising and we got the second mountain. Again the plate started moving like this. Now what happened? You got the third one. And today the magma is rising here and the mountain is formed here. So guys, what did we understand? I am just telling you that the magma will be present only at one point. For example, if I actually take this, right? So first the magma was present only here, and above this we got a mountain developed. And then what happened? The plate started moving out. Magma is in the new place. So new volcano came up here. So we saw magma has come up here. Now this will be eroded over a period of time and a new volcanic mountain will come up here, correct? Then what happens? The previous one will be usually eroded. The previous one will be eroded and the new one will be formed. Again, if this moves out, the middle one will be eroded and the new one will be formed at the corner. Can you observe? So this is what we see, that is magma keeps on moving because magma is at its own place, but the plate is actually moving. So I say if magma is here, I get a mountain here, and if the book moved away, the plate moved away, you got a new mountain. Again, you got a new mountain. Can you see this? This is the structure we usually observe, and it's very, very important for us. Yes. So guys, what happened? First, the entire plate was present here. That is, this one was present here. And then because of the movement of the plate, right, the one came here and the new one, 2, was formed here. Now with further movement what happened? 1 came here, 2 came here, and a new one called third mountain is formed here. Magma is present at its place, but the plate is moving. For your convenience, I showed you that first it was present below this, next it was present below this, now it is present below this. Can you see the first one which was formed is extinct, no magma is there. The new one, recent one is dormant, but still it is 1 million years old. The present one is active. If you have series of volcanoes and if you have one volcano which is active and if the previous volcanoes are dormant, the meaning of this is magma is present here only, but the plate is moving in this direction. Hawaiian Islands is formed because of hot spot volcanoes. UPSC mains question, why are these islands formed? So the answer is this, right? This is why we keep saying not only NCERT books, even other things are important. How exactly you form? You try to say that below the oceanic crust or continental crust, we will usually observe magma locally present. And the reason for this is radioactive material is present more in this region. Due to this, the magma melts and the molten magma rises. And once the molten magma rises, it comes out in the form of volcanic mountain. This is what we need to read when it comes to hotspot volcanoes. I hope guys this is clear. Entire 11th standard physical geography book, I will cover it in the name of basics itself, because if we understand 11th standard, everything else will be clear. So I will be focusing line by line and I will tell you which theories have come up and how it has evolved over a period of time. I hope this is fine, no need to worry much. Hotspot volcanoes is actually in between the continents or plates, mainly because you have localized magma being present. Please take 11th standard physical geography NCERT book. Please have a notebook where you can draw some pictures and additional information as well. And every line in that book is crucial for us to understand carefully. Once we do that, then we will go to other topics. Even 6th standard NCERT book, my suggestion to you, please read only after understanding 11th standard NCERT carefully. Right guys, so let's begin quickly with 11th standard NCERT book.